Alrighty guys, we're back at my grandma's garage with our Genie Screw Drives. I did take this video over the summer, but the files were corrupt and we couldn't find a way to get them back. So it is winter now. Happy winter. And so this is the remote for this door. This is the one from my old Genie. And when I got replaced, as you know, if you've seen the video. And later today, I'm gonna come out either today or tomorrow. I'm gonna try and come out and program these. So this one for this button for this, or this button for that door. This one for none. But anyway, let's go ahead and run this thing. Here we go. Very noisy. So I did lubricate these doors over the summer, so they are much quieter now. And something I wanted to point out to you. So remember that I said I get super close to the door stop? Now that I look at it, I think that this actually hits the door stop. Barely. So when I try and program the remote to this one, I am going to have to remove the limit switch because it's in the way of the light cover open anyway. And I'm going to move it further away from there so that it's able to. This one, I'll be able to open it no problem. But this one I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to move the limit switch. So I'm going to go ahead and run this down, and I want you to pay attention to the back of the opener. So, see that thing sticking out the back there? I'm assuming that has something to do with the screw. So maybe it goes right through the motor and sticks out the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you that. Not sure if you can see very well, but it's spinning. So it's probably got something to do with that screw. So, that's probably got something to do with the screw. So I'm going to demonstrate this door now, and I would like to show you the push button. So this is just a regular Genie push button. This is the one for the other door, which I'm not going to run again, but basically all push buttons do, they just send a signal to whatever time to activate. So this would probably work with the doorbell too. I'm probably sure this one has a doorbell at some point, but I don't know. But let's go ahead. So first of all, before I say this, before I open it, I mean this one seems to be quieter than this one. Probably because it's used less. But I'll go ahead and run it now. Looks like not anymore. So now it's buzzing. So now I think this one might be a little quieter. So, anyway, though, I'd like to show how the safety sensors work. So first of all, let's see this another. So here's what they look like. Here, older model. These ones do not even have one on them, and I'm not going to show you. I'm not going to put my foot in front of the sensor because once I was opening. I walked under it. It stopped, glitched out. So I'm just going to use the remote to show what it would be like. So here it goes. So someone hits the button to close it. Just say something runs under it, it'll stop, and then go back up like this. So the light would not flash. Nothing else would happen. So it just reverses. So Chamberlain, Liftmaster, Craftsman, those ones are the ones that flash 10 times. No Genies flash at all. So yeah. It's just easier to tell if something goes in front of the sensor with those other openers, but I'm gonna go ahead and run this down. And the opener kind of jerks and shakes around, probably because how they're mounted. You can't really see probably up there, but these angle plates, they're at an angle. You can't see, but they're just crossed at an angle, and it's just shaking around. They just both shake around. So I'll go ahead and run this down. And I don't know if the shaking is caused by the vibration of the motor or if it's just how it's mounted, but that's it for these Genie Screw Drive Garage door openers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the like button. If you have a question or a comment, and feel free to leave one. And your requests, try to get a video, whatever you want. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.